We want you to calm down. We want you to chill out. We want you to stop talking about Jeremiah Omoto. And Ruth said, I don't want your money. I want my child. I want my son. She went on to promise Ruth 3 million naira. She said, Ruth, I'm going to give you 3 million naira in cash. I'm going to buy you a car. I have the voice notes. I have the voice recording of this charlatan called Prophetess Grace, the daughter of Jeremiah Omoto, trying to bribe Ruth so that she can stop demanding for her child. She even went on to promise Ruth 5 million naira so that Ruth stops talking, so that Ruth stops talking to me. They were trying to influence Ruth, telling her that I'm a ritualist. She should stop talking to me. This so-called prophetess of yours, who's a daughter to Jeremiah Omoto. And I just called her now because I have a number. And she dropped on me when I asked her about Ruth's whereabouts. Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
Is this Prophetess Grace?
Sorry, this is the wrong number.
No, it's not the wrong number. This is the number for Prophetess Grace.
You did what?
This is the number for Prophetess Grace. Can I talk to her, please?
Talk, I'm hearing you.
Yeah?
Talk, I'm hearing you.
What happened to Ruth Matthews? And she dropped the call. She's the one that has been calling Ruth Matthews non-stop. And she's a daughter of Jeremiah Omoto. She's a daughter of Jeremiah Omoto. Now she's saying it's a wrong number because she can see that I'm the one who's calling. Jeremiah Omoto sent this woman, this vagabond prophetess daughter of his, to go and torment Ruth and make offers to Ruth.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people, this video today now about the woman wey cry out say Pastor Jeremiah thief e pikin. My people, now as I dey talk to Nana, they don't carry police to go arrest the girl. Pastor Jeremiah and Prophetess Grace now carry police to go arrest this girl. Me no can understand this girl condition. Not be say this girl they even walk away. Now e pikin now e demand from. So if Pastor Jeremiah knows say the pikin dey with the girl, make he give the girl a pikin. Because as I dey talk to Nana now, they don't arrest the girl. They don't arrest the girl. When I go hear when the girl they talk for phone say they don't arrest him. Oh. According to the man who carried the case, he said Prophetess Grace, they always they call the girl. He say all the proof they with her, all the record they with her. When Prophetess Grace they tell the girl say make you forget about the pikin, make you collect money. Then so pastors come be for Nigeria. He said make the girl forget about the case, make you collect money. Now what Prophetess Grace, now what he talk with that one, my people. The thing shockalize me. I go put the video make una see and like I just now Pikin will they talk about here. You will be mother. You say make the girl leave Pikin, make it collect money. As the girl not come cooperate with them, according to the man, he said Prophetess Pastor Jeremiah they say people say Yahoo boys make they go they toast the girl, make they tell the girl say they go take care of her. What do you gonna use the girl pikin the way you don't want to give her me pikin? Let me not understand. My people, Nigeria, as the Nigeria corrupt, not be small, sha. Okay, people where they poor now, they not get say again for that Africa at all. They not get say again. The thing they shock me, my people. Like what's it called the apple for this world? What is the apple, my people? Now wow, this is the apple, So okay, I'll put the video more and say my people. Please help me to share the video. Let the video go viral. Bye.
Ruth, can you hear me?
I can hear you.
What happened?
I think they have arrested me, sir.
They've arrested you.
Hello?
Hi, Ruth.
I'm not fine again now. My teacher is at home now.
What happened?
I even told them that they should allow me to carry the children. They said no. They just come and pick me from where I go and charge my phone.
Where are you now?
I'm with them now, sir.
Who are they? How many are they? How many are they?
I'm with two people in the car now.
Why did they? Why did they arrest you? What's the reason for the arrest?
This evening, just now.
What is the
They
reason?
say I am a suspect. They came and arrest me, sir.
Why? What is the reason? Did they tell you the reason why they are arresting you?
They don't say I am a suspect. That is the reason they are arresting me.
A suspect for what?
I don't know for them. I don't even know.
Where are your kids now?
The kids are at home, only them. But they should not permit me to carry the children along, so that the children will be with me. Even inside the cell, they refuse. I don't know how the children will even cope now. I don't even know. Now they are crying now.
Are they wearing uniform?
They are with ID cards.
They are with what?
ID cards. They are not with uniform.
Are they
Show me the ID.
are they police or they are just people that are arresting you? Did they show you their identities?
Yeah, they show me their identity that they are the policemen.
Can I talk to them, please?
No? Yes.
Put it on speaker.
Hello?
Good afternoon, sir.
Yes, say, can I know the reason why you are arresting Ruth?
You can come to the office. They come to the station and then you know the reason.
Which station?
Come to Apple Restricted Quarter, the outpost.
The what?
The police station, Apple Restricted Quarter, the outpost. Inside National Apple National Assembly Quarters.
Do you have a warrant of arrest for her?
You come there, you get it dead. I don't even know who I'm talking to on phone.
No, but you don't arrest someone without a warrant. You just don't go and arrest her without a warrant. What is your name, sir?
I don't know. You come and know. If you come now, I just show you where I am.
Okay, what is your name? Can I know your identity?
Calm down. Stop talking to you as if you are talking to a staff.
No. You don't arrest anyone without a warrant. What is the probable cause? Why are you arresting her? What is her crime? What is her crime? You don't just arrest someone because you have an order. Someone told you to go and arrest someone. What is she charged for before you arrest her? Do you have a warrant with you?
I just told you where she is now. So
what is your name? I need to know the officer on record.
If you want to help her, just follow her to where she is now. I think that is the best thing, not to be asking me questions on phone.
But I need to know. I need to know in case anything happens to her. Who arrested her? You said your police are not wearing a uniform and you just go and apprehend her. For what? What is your name? I need your identity.
Give me phone. I'm talking to her now.
This is madness. Hello? Where are you now, Ruth?
I'm in the station.
What is the name of the station?
Come, what is the name of the station? Explain to me.
I don't even know the name of it.
Hello?
Wait, let me ask.
Ask.
It's what? Hello?
I don't even know. They want to help me. Please, what is the name of this station?
You don't.
Apple Quarters.
It's called what?
Apple Quarters.
Have they told you why they arrested you yet?
National Assembly Apple Quarters Division.
Okay. Have they told you why they've arrested you?
Yes, sir.
What is the reason?
No, they haven't told me the reason.
They have not told you the reason.
Yes, sir.
Are your kids still at home now? Did you leave them with the phone?
Yes, I leave the kids with the phone.
Are they safe? Are they safe at home?
They are not safe now because
Can I talk with one of the officers? Can I talk with one of the officers that is there?
Please, you want to talk to you. I want to talk to one of your officers. I want to talk to you. Who is it? It's my brother. Where's your brother talking from? Where is he calling you from? Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Fine, good afternoon, sir.
My name is Xavier. Who am I talking to?
You are speaking with Inspector Esther Gabriel.
With Inspector who?
Esther Gabriel. Who are you, sir?
Inspector Esther, may I know the reason why Ruth has been apprehended?
You said,
Hello?
hello?
May I know the reason why Ruth has been arrested? Eh? Officer.
Wait, no.
Hello? So this is how the Nigerian law enforcement has become so corrupt. How do you arrest someone without due process? How do you just go to arrest someone without a warrant of arrest? Without any charges? And to take a crippled woman, a disabled woman from her kids, and to go and put her in custody for what? Because she's speaking her truth? Because she's seeking justice? Because she wants her son that went missing at Jeremiah Omoto's shrine? Is that enough basis for you to go and arrest someone? If there's one person that should be arrested, it's Jeremiah Omoto. He's the one who's responsible for all these crimes against humanity, for the death of young children, for the disappearance of young children. This is terrorism at its highest level. And the police can still go and apprehend Ruth for what? Because she's just a poor woman seeking justice. This cannot be tolerated. And Jeremiah Omoto, I want to give you a warning. In as much as you think you are mighty and you are not touchable, this is what is going to bring your end. This is what is going to bring your destruction. Jeremiah, you are nothing. You are just a heartless piece of a devil. I say this and I mean it. How do you do this? How do you torment a woman like this? How do you do that? Where is your conscience? Where is your heart? How do you send police to go and arrest her and take her from her children because she wants justice? Because you don't want to give her back her son? Where is her son? You can't answer that. What happened to her son? You can't answer that. Show us the footage of how her son disappeared at your church. You can't answer that. You can't prove that. You can't provide that. But rather you send police to go and arrest her. Nigeria, what has happened to you people? Why have you allowed these cancerous human beings to be operating in the society? These are dangerous elements in the society. They should never be allowed to coexist with human beings. They should be behind bars. Jeremiah Omoto must be behind bars. This is not fair. This is injustice. And some of you are clapping. Some of you are saying now she got what she deserved. What does she deserve? She just wants her son. That's a cry. She wants her son. If you lose your son also, you would want to have your son back. This is not going to be tolerated. And Jeremiah Omoto, if you thought this was your biggest shot on Ruth, this is one shot that you have made the biggest mistake of your life. Jeremiah has been sending so many people to go and try to trap Ruth. There's this Jezebel woman of his, this daughter of his, that he has been using to trap Ruth, that he has been using to go and lure Ruth with money. This Jezebel woman called Prophetess Grace or something like that from Nigeria. This is her picture. She's a daughter of Jeremiah Omoto. She was being sent by Jeremiah Omoto to lure Ruth. She first sent Ruth 100,000 naira. Say, Ruth, listen, we want you to calm down. We want you to chill out. We want you to stop talking about Jeremiah Omoto. And Ruth said, I don't want your money. I want my child. I want my son. She went on to promise Ruth 3 million naira. To say, Ruth, I'm going to give you 3 million naira in cash. I'm going to buy you a car. I have the voice notes. I have the voice recording of this charlatan called Prophetess Grace, the daughter of Jeremiah Omoto, trying to bribe Ruth so that she can stop demanding for her child. She even went on to promise Ruth 5 million naira so that Ruth stops talking, so that Ruth stops talking to me. They were trying to influence Ruth, telling her that I'm a ritualist. She should stop talking to me. This so-called prophetess of yours, who's a daughter to Jeremiah Omoto. And I just called her now because I have a number. And she dropped on me when I asked her about Ruth's whereabouts. Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
Is this Prophetess Grace?
Sorry, this is the wrong number.
No, it's not the wrong number. This is the number for Prophetess Grace.
You did what?
This is the number for Prophetess Grace. Can I talk to her, please?
Talk, I'm hearing you.
Yeah?
Talk, I'm hearing you.
What happened to Ruth Matthews? and she dropped the call. She's the one that has been calling Ruth Matthews non-stop, and she's a daughter of Jeremiah Omoto. She's a daughter of Jeremiah Omoto. Now she's saying it's a wrong number because she can see that I'm the one who's calling. Jeremiah Omoto sent this woman, this vagabond prophetess daughter of his, to go and torment Ruth and make offers to Ruth. Now I'm calling you to ask what happens to Ruth. She's dropping the call. I'm calling her again. I'm sure she's going to drop this.
No customer you're calling is busy and unable to take your call right now.
Now she's dropping the call. She's the culprit behind Ruth's arrest. I'll post all the voice recordings of this charlatan, this Jezebel woman that is working for Jeremiah Omoto.
So my question to you women who are in these shrines, how do you do this to other women? How do you stand and defend criminals like Jeremiah Omoto like this and throw other women under the bus? Don't you know the pain of labor? Don't you know the pain of being a mother? This prophetess Grace is a disgrace in the body of Christ. She's one person that also needs to be arrested. She's going down together with Jeremiah Omoto. She's not getting out of this. She's not getting out of this because I have her on record. She's guilty of everything that is going to happen to Ruth. And I can promise you one thing, nothing will happen to Ruth. This is the biggest mistake that Jeremiah you have made. That you and your prophetess and the Yahoo boys, Jeremiah has been sending Yahoo boys to flirt with Ruth. This is how diabolic this man called Jeremiah is. I have all the recordings of Yahoo boys proposing love to Ruth. Telling Ruth that we love you, we want to meet with you, let's meet, I want to change your life. Jeremiah, what's wrong with you? What has happened to you, man? How did you become so evil? How did you become so diabolic like this? How did you get there? Why did you sell your soul, man? Go return everything that they took from you. You're now just a vagabond. You don't have a soul. You lost your conscience. You don't care who you are hurting, who you are harming along the way. As long as everything goes your way. One of your concubines, you arrested her as well recently. I'm going to post the voice notes. Is this how you retaliate? Is this how you silence people? By using the police to go and arrest them? This concubine is 6 months pregnant for Jeremiah Omoto. I have the proof, I have the recordings and everything. Now she's nowhere to be found. Jeremiah is apprehended as well. Of course, he's going to force her to do an abortion. That's what he's going to do. Or he's going to make her disappear. But Jeremiah, you're going to answer to all these crimes against humanity. And all of you other charlatans around the world, you are observing this and you're quiet about it. Touch not the anointed. You damn fools are not anointed. You're all charlatans. Why are you quiet about this? Injustice to humanity. And you claim to be servants of God. You claim to be men of God. When you allow your fellow men of God doing such atrocities to the children, to the believers, to vulnerable people, why are you silent about it? Or Adepo, why are you silent about it? You call yourself the fathers of faith. Adebayo, why are you silent about it? Oyakilome, I know all of you are watching this. And why are you quiet about it? Why are you not putting your own to order? Your other charlatan to order? Why are you allowing him to go out and vandalizing and destroying people's lives like this? Ruth is going to get justice no matter how much you try to impede it. She's going to get justice. We are going to know where that child is. We are going to know what happened to testimony. If you think by sending police to apprehend her, then you got another thing coming. You're not going to be prosecuted in the nation of Nigeria, Jeremiah Omoto. You will face the international criminal law of court of justice. Because what you have done to the church of God, what you have done to the children of God, to vulnerable human beings are crimes against humanity. And all of you that are supporting and clapping and defending all these atrocious activities, you are guilty as much. You are guilty as much. The Council of Churches in Nigeria, you are observing this, you are not doing anything about it. Because you are in the pockets of Jeremiah. You are being paid bribes. The law enforcement, the police, all of you are corrupt. You are being paid by this charlatan called Jeremiah Omoto to disadvantage someone like Ruth. Who does that to someone like Ruth? Don't you feel sorry for her already because of her condition? And you still go on to go and arrest her? Come on, man. Regardless of the fact that you have been in this occultic nonsense, have a heart, have a conscience. Who birthed you, Jeremiah? Who birthed you? Where are your parents? Where's your mother? Where's your father? Don't you have kids of your own yourself? How did you get here? How did you get here? This is so bad, man. But I promise you, you've made the biggest mistake of your life.
Now we know that Ruth is in your hands. And this prophetess Grace that you have been using to try to get Ruth, she's going down with you. And all these other Yahoo boys, your sons, that you have been using to trap Ruth, they are all going down with you. Everyone who have taken part in trying to bring Ruth down, in trapping Ruth or in tracing Ruth, they are going down with you. The police, the vagabond police and bogus police that you have deployed to go and arrest Ruth without probable cause, they are going down with you. We have to put an end to all this madness. We have to put an end to all this madness. Churches are becoming so dangerous. Churches are becoming so dangerous. And you still call someone like this your spiritual father? How do you do it? Jeremiah Omoto, how do you call him a spiritual father? He's a mafia, this one. He has no heart for human beings. He's just out there to devour and scatter everyone around. He's putting everyone's life in jeopardy, at risk. For how long are we going to be afraid of pastors, of prophets? We can't. The government has to intervene. Buhari has to intervene. The politicians are quiet. Why are they quiet? When there's this level of injustice to humanity. Jeremiah, your end is near. And we still demand justice for Ruth. There's nothing that you will do to her. No scratch that will happen to Ruth. Don't try it. If I were you, I would release that woman. If I were you, I would release that woman. I know these police are under you. You are the one who deployed them. That's how stupid you are. That's how crazy and dysfunctional you are. Don't even try to move her from one police station to the other, trying to conceal her. The names of the officers on record, I have them. The conversations that your fellow daughters, this prophetess Jezebel lady that you have been sending to go and rape Ruth, I have all the conversations and the recordings. You keep digging a hole, a pit for yourself. When you drop down, you are not going to rise up again. We are bringing down that messy city land shrine of yours to ashes. And there's nothing you can do about it, not just you, and amongst all your other charlatans that are supporting you, that are also doing these atrocious things to humanity. We are praying for Ruth and we are fighting for Ruth. Nothing will happen to Ruth. Never try to do anything to Ruth. With that being said, I'll check you out on the next episode. I'll bring you more threats that were coming from Jeremiah and this prophetess that he was using to trap Ruth. You have just fallen into your own trap. So I'll check you out on the next episode.